Okay, good morning. Welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make a Thai omelette, two versions. Okay, one only plain omelette, another one spicy one with this ingredient: shallot, chili, and sweet basil. And the ingredient only this one. Normally you can use fish sauce or you can use light soy sauce, and I use this one. This one a nice smell, and then this one chicken powder seasoning. If you like, you can put. If you don't like, you don't have to put. Not necessary. Okay, the first one we're going to show plain omelette, but one portion we use only 2 eggs. That's it. Okay, should we start now? Okay, right. Okay, use this one to break the egg. And then now put the seasoning powder. Yeah, this much, just this much. Okay. And then for the taste, maggi. Okay, can I mention the brand? Maggi. Yeah. Okay. 3/4 of tablespoon. Okay, this amount, right? And then half tablespoon of water. Just make the omelets. Okay. Yeah. But some they use the lemon juice, lime juice, but not necessarily. You can use anything. Okay, now you just beat the egg. Oh, this one's great. Okay, now we put the oil. We use the vegetable oil as usual. The heat not high, just a medium, and you don't have to wait until this one go very hot, right? Do you have to look beautiful?
Yeah.
Okay. not like I said, don't have to wait until this one very hot. You can just put. And just leave, stir a bit. And then this the omelette. This one just basic for Thai food. You can have in the morning with the boiled rice, or you can have for lunch with curry or stir fry as a side dish, or even dinner. most of the most of the Thai people, they always cook this one at home, and the basic and easy to cook. Yeah, you just leave like this. And this one, you just leave not too much oil. Yeah, if the oil is very hot, the omelette can absorb the oil inside, become very oily or greasy. Oh, we have some boy to disturb because he waiting for omelette. Yeah, for my omelette, for my recipe, and he love it. Yeah, and he love it. Look, this my lovely nephew. Okay, say hello. No, say hello.
Hi.
Say hello. It smell nice. Yeah.
I didn't smell anything.
Look. And is it nice? Less than 5 minutes. My omelette. And don't forget to use the stainless steel wok as I recommend.
And it had to be a wok, man.
Yeah.
Can't do this one in the frying pan.
No, I have to do a wok, not the. Okay, that's it. And you look the oil. We left the oil. Yeah, still just a little bit. Absorb to this one. Okay, this is the plain omelette. Normally, you know, the Thai people they like to have with this chili sauce, or you can have with fish sauce and chili, or prik nampa. Both also can, right? Spicy one, we put chili red, or you can mix with green. But today I don't have green. I just put red and onion and sweet basil. Yeah, or this one, the amount, we don't have the fixed amount. This one as you like. Yeah, just slice very fine. Okay, and sweet basil. And you can slice a bit. Okay, right. And we can use the same oil. Just add a little bit. Okay, now we beat the egg. The same. Okay, just beat a bit. Okay, the same amount of the sauce. The same amount of seasoning powder, and beat a little bit more. And it's go well, and then we put all the ingredients. This one the spicy version. Okay, we use the same cooking oil. Then now medium hot, then we just put. And then we do like the plain one. But this one, yeah, for the spicy one, we put shallot. You can see the bubble, but you don't have you don't have to worry. The bubble come from onion because of the water from the onion. No need to put the water. Add a little bit of water. No need. Okay, just leave it. Look. This one for our breakfast. Yeah, for our breakfast.
What's it?
You see, you can see the bubble because the water come from the onion. Okay, you just leave and the oil can go.
So let's give give this a try. Yeah, spicy. This is jam-packed with chili. Spicy, savory with the onion and the basil. Great accompaniment to any meal. And the same with the plain one. It just goes with so many dishes. Just pairs so nicely. But you need to serve this straight away so it's still crispy. Yeah, these have been sitting a little bit because we've been taking pictures and whatnot. But yeah, this needs to be the last dish you make. Give that a go. Let us know how you find it. And we'll see you next week. Take care now. Bye.